All right, so this is the sticky wax, guys. Sticky wax goes right like this. I mean, I guess you can use any type of wax, but this is how I learned, so I just stuck with it, and it kind of just has been working for me. So this is kind of just like the base part of the sprue. Get it nice and ready for the sprue. And then it's gonna go right on this. I'm still gonna make it smooth once it dries. It's a little sticky right now. That's why it's called sticky wax. So let's pull this baby off. Come on. This is the thing about a wax. Sometimes it's so touchy. You know, you don't want it to come off and break. Oh, I was waxing a little bit right here. Oops. It's stuck in there. Just pop it right off. There we go. Oh, the camera off. This is kind of just a demo. Just kind of showing you guys. I don't think I put any. I didn't put any spray on this side. Come on, there we go. Okay, so this piece, the 6-piece, is gonna go right onto there, right in the middle, because I only have one piece. But obviously, if you had, if you had several pieces, you know, you go like that, like that, like that. That's just the way I do it. This is breaking a little bit. Okay. So this is gonna go just right in here. This is what I do. I make little holes. A little wet. Get it right in there. And I just put it right on top. This is your sprue. And that is how you're gonna get ready to cast.